Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save ChatGPT conversations as PDF on mobile. All right, let's begin. First, open your ChatGPT app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the top left corner, scroll, and select the conversation you want to save. After opening it, tap on the three dots menu at the top right and select Share. Copy the link provided there. Next, open Google Chrome on your mobile device and paste the copied link into the address bar. Tap the share icon besides the copy icon. In the options, find the print option. Tap on it, and it will show a preview. Change the printer destination to save as PDF. Finally, tap Download, and the PDF will be saved to your Downloads folder on your phone. So that's basically how you can save ChatGPT conversations as PDF on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.